we're going to be subtracting. So this is our problem. I'm going to write down the formulas too, once again. Okay, so now for the second problem, it is sigma k 1 3k squared minus k, and equals so now we're going to separate these. This becomes 3 sigma n k equals 1 k squared minus n k equals 1 k. So we're going to use the formula for both of these. This becomes, for the first one, we're going to be using this formula. And notice that we don't have any number, it's just n, so we're just going to be plugging in n. This one's going to be 3 times 1/6. So you can just basically write the formula right over here. N plus 1, 2n plus 1. Minus, same thing over here. We don't have any term on the top, so we can just use this formula. Okay, so now we have this. The next thing we can do is simplify. We know that 3 goes into 6 twice. So this becomes 1, 2. So I'll just write it one more time. Half n plus 1, 2n plus 1 minus a half n plus 1. So now what I can do is I'm going to take a half n plus 1 out of both of these two. It's going to look like this. A half n plus 1. So I'm factoring it now. I'm factoring out a half n plus 1 out of these two. So if I take it out of this one, all I'm left with is 2n plus 1. And then when I take this out, this is basically just negative 1. Then I have a half n plus 1, and this becomes 2n. Then we can multiply. Since 2 goes into 2 once, we can simplify that. And we can multiply the n's together. N times n is n squared, and all we have left is n plus 1. And that's our answer. So over here, the answer would be n squared n plus 1.